Hello students, in the previous video we were doing exercise 3A and we completed first 5 questions. We'll start with the question number 6, sub question 1. We have to find the square root of 14.4 upon 22.5. First of all, you must understand how to remove decimal places. How do we? Most of you already know how to remove decimal places. For those who do not know, see, if you have a number 14.4, if I want to remove this decimal place, there are how many numbers after the decimal place? After the decimal place there is one number. Okay, so if you remove this decimal place, you make it 144, then there was one digit after the decimal place, so you will divide this number by 10. Okay, so if you remove the point from the numerator, you add 0 in the denominator. Okay, if you have like this 1 upon 22.5, if you remove this point from the denominator, you will add 10 in the numerator. This is the rule. Okay, so if you remove a point, after the point there is one number, so you will add 1 0 in the denominator, and if you remove the point from the denominator, you will add 1 0 in the numerator. This is how it works. Okay, so in this case we have point in numerator as well as denominator. Okay, so what will I do here? I will remove the point in the numerator. I will remove the point from the numerator and add a 10 in the denominator, and I will remove the point from here also. This is 225. This point, I am removing this point and I will add 10 in the numerator. Okay, see, this 10 is because of this point in the numerator, and this 10 in the numerator is because of the point in the denominator. Okay, and then incidentally this 10 and this 10 will get cancelled, so I will have 144 upon 225. Now square root of 144, you know that 144 is nothing but 12 into 12, and 225 is nothing but 15 into 15 square root. So whenever we take square root, this is a pair, we take only one number. Okay, so from this 12 into 12, I'll write 112 and then I'll write 115. Okay, and then cancel it. This will get cancelled with 3 4s are 3 5s are, so you have 4 upon 5, and when you write this value in decimal, 4 upon 5, it will become 0.8. See, this is how you make 4 point. If you are dividing like this, the denominator always comes here. Okay, so there is number is 4, so I will take 0 here, then 1 point, so I will add 1 0 here, and 5 8s are 40. Okay, so this is the answer for the first question. Copy this. Now the second sum. Even here I will remove the decimal place. See, if I remove after the decimal place, there is 1 2 and 3 number. Okay, 1 2 and 3 digits after the decimal place. So if I remove this decimal place, I will have to add 3 zeros in the denominator. Okay, see, when I remove this decimal place, I will add 3 zeros in the denominator, because after the decimal place there is 1 2 and 3 digits. And when I remove this decimal point, after the decimal point there is one number, one digit, so I will add 10 in the 1 0 in the numerator. Okay, so this thing is very important, removing the decimal places, replacing it with 10 and multiples of 10. So see, once again I'll explain you. अगर एक पॉइंट है डिनोमिनेटर में, पॉइंट के बाद एक नंबर है, तो इसको हटा दो और ऊपर एक 10 ऐड कर दो, एक 0 ऐड करो. एंड न्यूमरेटर में पॉइंट के बाद 3 डिजिट है, तो पॉइंट हटा दो और नीचे यहाँ पे 3 ज़ीरोज़ ऐड होगा. ओके, ऊपर से पॉइंट हटाएंगे तो नीचे ऐड होगा, नीचे से पॉइंट हटाएंगे तो ऊपर ऐड होता है. ओके, so let's remove the point, let's remove this point. So we will have 225, and in the denominator I will have to add 1000. Okay, 3 zeros, because after the decimal there are 3 zeros. And this, I will remove this point also, so this will become 289, and after the point there is one number, so in the numerator I'll add 110. Okay, 10 means multiplying with 10. Okay, and all this is inside the root. This is inside the root. Okay, now we'll make the cancellation. So this 10 and this 0 will get cancelled. So what is remaining finally? 225 upon 289 into 100. Now this 225 is nothing but 15 into 15. See, I have told you to learn the squares from 1 to 30. You must know the squares from 1 to 30. 289 is 17 into 17, and 100 is 10 into 10. Okay, now we have pairs, so we'll take one number each. So from here I will remove the root sign, and this 15 I'll write 115 here, then this 117, and from this pair of 10 I will take 110. The root sign is gone now. Okay, then there is a cancellation possible here. 5 3s are 5 2s are. So what is answer finally? 3 upon 34. This is the final answer. Copy each and every step. Third sum. This question number 6 is very important, because one question definitely comes from here. Copy the question. So first we will solve this mixed fraction. So 18 into 2 is 36. Okay, and 36 plus 13. 18 into 2 36, 36 plus 13 49. So this will become 49 upon 18 into 0.25. So I will, after the point there are two numbers, so I will remove this point, and in the denominator after the point there are two digits, two numbers, so I will add 100 in the denominator. Now we have to take square root. So this 49 you already know is 7 into 7, 25 is 5 into 5, 100 is 10 into 10, but these three numbers will have to open up, split them to get a square. I'm sorry, this question is 25. This is 25. Okay, so this 25 is 5 square. only in the denominator 32 and 18. So what I will do first is 25 can be written as 5 into 5, then 49 is 7 into 7. See, all these are numerators and all these are denominators. This 25 is again 5 into 5. This 32 if you prime factorize, so you will get 32 is in the exponents also we did 32 is 2 raised to 5. Okay, so 32 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, and 18 is 2 into 18 is 2 into 9. 9 means 3 into 3. See, this is 18. This is the splitting of 18. 18 is 2 into 3 into 3, and 100 means 10 into 10. Okay, so now we'll make pairs. So this 5 and 5 is making a pair, 7 7, 5 5, 10 10. This 3 and 3 is making one pair. Then this 2 and this 2, this and this 2, and here. So see, total 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are 6 2's, means they are making 3 pairs. This 3 is making a pair, 3 3. This 10 and 10 is making a pair, and these 3 numbers also. So once I will remove this root sign now, and I will take one number each from every pair. Okay, so this 5 into 5, only 1 5. From this 7 into 7, 1 7. From this 5 into 5, 1 5. Upon. From this pair of 2, 1 2. From here I will take 1. From here I will take 1. From here I will take 1 3. And from here I will take 1 10. Okay, then here I can cancel. So 5 1s are 5 2s are. See, you could have cancelled here also, 25 upon 25 4s are. If you do that, that is also okay. Okay, so finally what is remaining? 5 into 7 upon 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now any more cancellation is not possible, so this is our. So just we'll multiply this. Seven into 5 is 35, and 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 2s are 48. So answer is 35 upon 48. Next, question 4 is similar. So all three numbers are given in mixed fraction. First we will solve these mixed fractions. Okay, 5 1s are 5 plus 4 9. 9 upon 5, 44 into 14. See, this is a big number. 44 into 14, big multiplication. So 44 into 14, if you multiply, you will get 616. 44 into 14 is 616 plus 21. Okay, so see, 44 into 14 is 616 plus 21 is 637. So in the numerator we will have 637 upon 44. Here 55 into 2. 55 into 2 is 110, 110 plus 7 is 117 upon 55. Okay, now we'll prime factorize these numbers. So this 9 is 3 into 3, 637. 637 is a big number. Okay, so it is better if you prime factorize it. So when you will prime factorize it, you will find that it is not divisible by 2, by 3, it is not even divisible by 5, it is divisible by 7. So 7 9s are 63, and 7 9s are 63, 7 1s are 7, and 91. So 7 1s are 7, 21, 7 3s are 21, and then 13 1. So prime factorization is 7 7 13 for 637. Okay, 637 is 7 into 7 into 13. Okay, this 637. Now this 117 is, we'll have to prime factorize this also. So I'll do the prime factorization here. 117, so 3 3s are, 3 9s are, 3 13s are, and 13 1s are. So 3 3 13. Prime factorization of 117 is 3 into 3 into 13. Okay, divide by 5 into this 44 is 4 into 11, 55 is 5 into 11. Okay, now we have almost prime factorized all the numbers, but let's write them properly. Writing properly means this is 3 into 3, this is 7 into 7, this 13 into 13, I'll write it together, 13 into 13, then there is 3 into 3. So all these are pairs now, proper pairs. Here 5, there is 5 here and there is 5 here, so I'll write them together, 5 into 5, correct, these two 5s. Now there is 4 means 2 into 2, correct, and there is 11 and 11, so here it will become 11 into 11. So this type of simplification is important so that you can make pairs easily. Okay, don't try to multiply the numbers, you will get very big values, and then to find the square root of those values will be very difficult. Okay, so now I will remove the square root sign and I will take one number each from every pair. Okay, so this will become 3 into 7 into 13 into 3 upon 5 into 2 into 11. We take only one number. Okay, so let's multiply this. 3 into 7 is 21, 21 into 39 is, when you multiply these four numbers you will get 819. Okay, try multiply and see whether you get the answer correct. And when you multiply 5 into 2 into 11, so this is 110, 110. Now we'll have to write the answer in mixed fraction because this is improper fraction. Okay, so how to write in mixed fraction? One 110 into 7 is 770. Okay, now do the subtraction. 49 is the remainder. So how to write in mixed fraction? This quotient will come on side, denominator will remain same, and this remainder comes in the numerator. Okay, so this is your final answer. I hope you have understood the sum. So we have completed question number 6. Now we'll start with question number 7. First copy this sum properly. Okay, next. Question 7, the first sum. First sum is, in the square root sign, we have 3 square, 6 cube, and 24. Okay, let's open this up to make pairs. See, we have to make pairs. Whenever you have to find square root means you have to make pairs. So this 3 square is already 3 into 3. Correct. 6 cube is 6 into 6 into 6. And 24 can be written as 6 into 4. Correct. I'm purposely writing 6 into 4 because this 6 will make a pair. Okay, so 6 into 4. Next step I'm writing here. So you see, this 3 and 3 is making a pair, this 6 and 6, this 6 and this 6, and this 4 can be written as 2 into 2, correct? So I'll write it once again, 3 into 3, 6 into 6, one more 6 into 6, and in the end I'll write 2 into 2. So these are pairs. So I will remove the root sign and I'll write one number from each pair. So 3 into 6 into 6 into 2. So this is 18. 18 into 6 is 108 into 2. That is 216. This is the answer. Okay. I hope you have understood the sum. Copy it down properly. First step, second step, third step, fourth step, and fifth step. Small sum. Question is 0.5 cube into 6 into 3 raised to 5. So 0.5 can be written as, if I remove this point, this will become 5 upon 10. Correct. I am removing one point. I will add 10 in the denominator, and there is cube also. Okay, into 6 is 2 into 3. Correct. And this 3 raised to 5 is 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 5 times. You will have to write 3. Okay. Now here I can do cancellation. 5 ones are 5 2s are. So I will have 1 upon 2 the whole cube. 1 upon 2 the whole cube means this is 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 2. Okay. And then in the numerator I have this. So 2 into 3 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 3s. Okay. I'm only simplifying the question. See, 0.5 I wrote 5 upon 10, which became 1 upon 2, and there was a cube. Cube means 1 2 3. You have to write it 3 times. 3 raised to 5, you have to write it 5 times. Okay. Now this 2 and this 2 will get cancelled. So what will remain in the numerator? You will have 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 3s. So I will write 3 into 3 and in the denominator we will have 2 2s, 2 into 2, correct? Now let's make pairs. So this is 1 pair, 2 and 3, 1 2 3 pairs. So I won't write the root sign now. Let's take one number from each pair. So 3 into 3 into 3 upon 2 into 2 will give me 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 upon 2. We have to write this in mixed fraction. So this will become 13 1 upon 2. Or you can also write it in decimal, 13.5. Next sum. Now in this sum, let's simplify the question first. So keep the root sign as it is. Here you can see 5 plus, we'll solve the mixed fraction first. So 25 into 2 is 50. 50 plus 21 is 71. So this will become 71 upon 25, and there is a bracket also. Multiply. Now there is a decimal point here. Then there are 3 digits, 1 2 3 after the decimal. So I will write 169, and 3 digits means it will get multiplied with, in the denominator, by 3 zeros. Okay, and here after the decimal point I have 1 digit, so this will become 16. I will remove the decimal point and I will multiply with 10. I have told you that if you remove the point from the denominator, you add 10 in the numerator, and if you remove the point from the numerator, add the zeros in the denominator. Okay, now this 1 0 will get cancelled. Here I will have to take LCM. Okay, so how to take LCM? Here also the denominator should become 25. So multiply the numerator and denominator by 25. Or you can simply multiply 25 into 5 directly. That is also a way of taking LCM. So 5 into 25 is 125 plus 71 upon 25 into, here it is 169 upon 16 into 100. So 125 into 71 is 196 upon 25 into 169 upon 16 into 100. Now if you observe, each and every number is a square. Okay, so just write them in the form of pairs. So 196 is 14 into 14, 169 is 13 into 13, 25 is 5 into 5, 16 is 4 into 4, and 100 is 10 into 10. Okay, so now remove the root sign and write one number from each pair. Okay, so 14 into 13 into 5 into 4 into 10. Okay, and I can cancel this. 2 sevens are 2 twos are. So what is remaining? 7 into 13 upon 5 into 2 into 10. So 7 into 13 is 91 upon 5 2s are 10, 10 10s are 100. So this can be written as 0.91. Correct? Because see, when you shift the point, you add two zeros here. So two zeros in the denominator means that there is a point after two numbers. So this becomes 0.91. Copy this sum. Very important sum. Fourth sum. Copy the question from your textbook. First, let's solve the mixed fraction. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So this becomes 11 upon 4 minus 3 upon 10. And now here there is subtraction sign. So I will have to take LCM. So the LCM of 4 and 10. LCM of 4 and 10. How to remove LCM? You can use this method. So start with 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 5s are 10. Then one more 2. 2 1s are 2. This 5 will come as it is. And 5. This 1 will come as it is. 5 1s are 5. So the LCM is 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 5, 20. So LCM is 20. Okay. So if the LCM is 20, I will multiply the numerator and denominator by 5. 4 into 5 will give me 20. And here I will multiply with 2. So this will become 5 into 11, 55 upon 4 into 5, 20 minus 3 2s are 6 upon 10 2s are 20. Now the denominator is same. Okay. So we can directly subtract. 55 minus 6 upon 20. So what is 55 minus 6? It is 49 upon 20. So 5 1s are 5 4s are. So finally what is remaining? 49 upon 4. And you can easily find the square root of 49 upon 4. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 4 is 2. So answer is 3.5 or 3 1 upon 2. Copy each and every step properly. Now this is a very interesting sum and very important too. So see, there is a big root sign. Inside the root sign you have 248 plus another root sign. Inside this sign you have 52 plus another root sign, inside which we have 144. So we'll solve one by one from the innermost number, innermost root sign. See, root 144. So what is the square root of 144? 144 is a square of which number? 144 is a square of 12. So root 144 will become 12. Now you can add these two numbers. Root sign is gone, correct? So 144 is 12. Now 52 plus 12. What is 52 plus 12? 52 plus 12 is 64. Okay. Now 64 is a square of which number? 64 is a square of 8. 8 8s are 64. So root 64 is 8. Okay. Now 248 plus 8. 248 plus 8 is 256. Okay. And what is root 256? 256 is a square of which number? Square of 16. Okay. So answer is 16. Understood? We started solving from here. Root 144, we got 12. So 12 plus 52, 64. Root 64 is 8. 8 plus 248, 256. And that is 16. Copy the sum. That's it for today. In the next video, we'll complete the exercise. Thank you.